Hi everyone, today we are going to unbox these two parcels. So let's open the first big one. So inside we have some packaging. So let's open this. Okay. Inside we have another packing. Okay. So let's open this.
Thank you, bro. Thank you, bro.
Okay. Most of you know this. This is an 11th edition new book, Indian coinage. And we have some advertisements for Mother Arts. Uh, you can see them. Like he's the one who is sharing videos on Instagram and YouTube. Okay. So this is a important price guide. Like they mostly have every collections from the period of, you can see here, 1835 to 2025, from the period of British, Portugal and few other. So more video will be releasing on this soon. So subscribe for getting the updates. So let's open the second one. Okay. Let's quickly open this, and inside we have a packet. So let's open this. So yes, we got it. Okay, so let's open this. Inside we have his, like, this is his for a card. So the first thing we notice is this graded coin. This is a half silver coin, that is during the period of George VI King. You can see here George VI King, and at the back you can see it's written 1/4 rupee and 1940. This is a MS63 grade, you can see MS63. So this is a very hard grade to find in this condition, I mean in this specific collection. Okay, so let's open other collections. So here what we have is, you can clearly see Mahatma Gandhi. It's a silver coin. It's a 10 rupees, released during 1969. So we have like same coin, 5 quantity. So sooner these all are UNC in condition. So sooner this will be on sale on our website. So from this parcel we got one graded coin and 5 silver collections of Mahatma Gandhi 10 rupees, and from other parcel we got this 11th edition book for the price catalog. So that's all guys, these three are the parcel we have opened. So hope you all enjoyed the video. Hit the like button.